The definition of attitude. A quick reminder, get new additions to the illustrated dictionary. Click the subscribe button, the bell icon, and then all. So the word attitude, it's pronounced attitude. Definition A, a manner of thinking or feeling about a person or thing. B, uncooperative or arrogant behavior, or being assertive with an individual, forceful style of behavior. Let's look at 3 illustrated sentence examples. The picture shows a woman wearing brightly colored body paint with an optimistic look on her face. The sentence reads, "People with a positive attitude are optimistic, and they remain hopeful and see the best even in difficult situations." Here's another example. In the picture, we see a young woman slumped over her laptop computer, exhausted after researching online college courses. The sentence reads, "Her attitude toward online college courses began to change when she discovered that many of them had additional hidden costs." In the next example, we see the second meaning of attitude. The picture shows a teenager with confident body language. The sentence reads, "In her teenage years, she had real attitude." Note, when the word attitude is used to describe a person who's forceful, aggressive, or arrogant, usually no article such as an or the is used. For example, she has attitude. So remember, attitude means a manner of thinking or feeling about a person or thing, or uncooperative or arrogant behavior, or being assertive with an individual, forceful style of behavior. And synonyms include standpoint, approach, mindset, perspective, sentiment, viewpoint, demeanor, mood. And here are some common collocations. Good attitude, bad attitude, his or her attitude towards something, attitude concerning something, joyful attitude, positive attitude, changing attitudes, he or she has got attitude. Has this video helped you? Then like, share, or comment now, and build a powerful English vocabulary with my free course on Udemy. Go to goodenglish.online.